Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And my name is Sean Forex. And in this video, you will learn the basic market structure, the perfect entry and exit for raw price action reading. Like I used to say, when it comes to raw price action reading, your entries matter, your exits matter. Right entry and right exit is one of the skill of being a profitable trader. Because even when you get the market right, if you enter market at the wrong time, you won't make money. And the more you enter market and you enter loss, the more your risk tolerance begins to reduce. Yes, as you are entering the market and market is taking you out, taking you out, taking you out in loss, your risk tolerance will be decreasing every time. And now, so as a result of that, I want to teach you the perfect entry of how to catch massive pips with a single entry. And this is GBP JPY raw price action reading I will be using right now for this market analysis. If you see my drawing here, this is raw price action reading that at this key level, market is doing basic higher high and higher low. At this level, the best thing you can do is to sell. Why? At this key level is to buy. At this key level is a selling mode. At this key level is a selling mode. Why at this key level is to buy until market tell otherwise. Now, the raw price action reading for live market is this one you are seeing here. At this key level, the best thing you can do is to sell. At this key level, the right thing to do is to buy. At this key level is to buy. At this key level is to buy. But every time market is unique in nature, market plays out different ways. That is why it's a combination of order and chaos. So when you understand this, it gives you rest. Because as a trader, the first thing you need to do when you enter market is to know the bias of the market. This is live chart right now. Now, when you understand the right direction that who are in the market, is it the seller or the buyer? This market right away, I have been spotting this market for the past 4 days. I've been waiting for this market. Yes, because I'm a swing trader, not a day trader. I don't just click buy and sell button. I've been waiting for this market movement for the past 4 days. And right now, GBP JPY has a potential of moving 600 pips. More than that, but at least 600 pips. And that is raw excitement of raw price action reading. And how am I so sure that market has the capacity of moving 600 pips? So simple. Market was doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now there was a break of structure here. Now, before that break of structure, something exciting happened. There was a consolidation. You can see that from here, from this key level to this key level, market was consolidating first, not just doing higher high, higher low, because it means that before market reverse, there will be psychology of candlestick reactions. Market do not just turn away instantly, except at the major area of, even at the major area of support, market will show you that it wants to turn back. There was a level of consolidation here, and which are clusters of candles. And as a result of these consolidations, I knew that something is about to happen. There was a loss of momentum. The sellers, the buyers could not push the market to higher high anymore. Yes, they put it higher high, then higher low, then there was a break of structure. So they couldn't put it, this buyer could not put it again. Now, if this analysis was in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I won't believe it. But this is 4 hours. 4 hours is one. 4 hours is one of the granddaddy of raw price action reading because it takes each of these candle average of 4 hours to load. Average of 4 hours. So which means that this candle you are seeing is 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it means that from here to here is 40 hours. That is almost 2 days. Almost 2 days already. That is 40 hours of candles loading, consolidating. People are clicking buying and sell inside this place. They are clicking buying and sell. Everybody wants to catch the pips of the market. Whereas as a seller, as a professional trader, you wait, because I know it's hard to wait. It's very, very hard. So this my green box here is the consolidation range, and I was patient, waiting. Right now, this market is about to move now, which is 600 pips. So imagine you are able to catch this just 600 pips with raw price action reading without what? Without stress. And that is all market is all about. So trend line trading strategy works, but you must come to higher time frame. Though it works in lower time frame like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but there's some level of little bit of manipulation in those hours. But if you come down to lower higher time frame like 1 hour, 4 hours, you'll be able to know once this structure is, once market break this structure of 194,707, GBP JPY is coming to this key level. That is 600 pips. Just one entry, 600 pips. I know it's hard. Even if your take profit is somewhere around here, if you cannot digest 600 pips, this is still something. This is amazing 400 pips. Even if your profit cannot be here and it's here, it's still something exciting. This is 185 pips. But like me, because I believed that it's better I catch. So if you can't take it, this place, once market reach here, you can enter break even. So whatever market does, you are fine. So this is raw price action reading, and this is how we catch the big pips in the market space. But like I usually say, come to our time frame. So I want you to go back to your chart this morning or this afternoon or this evening, wherever you are across the world. Go into your chart, pick out the time frame you want, and draw your trend lines too. Plot the key support level, plot the resistance level, find it out. Look, as in, stay with it. Let market show you of how it works. Yes, market has a way of showing you that this is how I moved. And mind you, and always remember, every market have their own different characteristics of movement. That is, GBP JPY movement is different from gold. Yes, they have a little bit of distinct of their creativity, the way they move, that it will be different from other markets. So each market moves separately. They have their own characteristics, their own differences. So if you can, once market break this key level now, and you are able to enter and put your stop loss inside this trend line, then you are good to go. So let's go to lower time frame. This is 1 hour right away. Now you can see now that market is already testing this support level. Once market break it and it turns to resistance, then that is all we need. That is all we need for right perfect entry for this analysis. Right entry for people of sharp entry. Yes, you can easily, enter somewhere around here. But for those who want to be extremely sure of what market is doing, wait. Let market break this support level and turn it to resistance. Once market turn it to resistance, then find a way of entry. Risk the minimum, as in risk. Your risk management is extremely important. So don't do go big or go home. Yes, but at least imagine you are a swing trader, or you are trading a prop firm and you are able to catch these pips and with proper entry, and you just enter and you leave. You let market do its own thing, because you have to let market work. You have to allow market to move. So don't glue with your chart. Once you analyze your chart, see what market is doing. You don't glue with it. You do not glue with it. Now, I want to show you something else so that you can see why I usually see co-integrations of different strategy is what I use in order to find the right entry in this market. Let's go to daily time frame. I'm killing the chart. This is daily time frame right now. Now, let me remove this chart. Now, this is daily time frame. And this market was buying, 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 buying. Do you know what I did? I just take out my Fibonacci key level, then draw my Fibonacci key level, and that's all. So are you seeing power of confluence now, called integrations of different strategy? By plotting out my Fibonacci key level, market was reacting to this key level of 0.618 already, because this market was massive buy, massive momentum candle. The next candle that formed was almost indecisions. In 4 hours, the second one, market lost its momentum. Now, that is the first psychology of entry. The second entry is support and resistance trader. Support and resistance trader too, that is looking for, okay, market have a way of reacting by looking to the left, this sharp entry, then the person is already waiting that market will move. That is the second co-integration of right entry. The third set of people, so Fibonacci trader is looking for sell, support and resistance trader is looking for sell. The third set of people, let's go to 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. Now, channel breakout trader also are looking for sell. Now, let me duplicate this. Channel breakout trader also are looking for sell. That is third level of co-integrations. Fibonacci trader are looking for sell. Support and resistance trader are looking for sell. Channel breakout trader are looking for sell. Are you seeing this now? That is 3 confluence. Now, if channel breakout trader are looking for sell, so also trend line breakout, because this is channel breakout trader, they are looking for sell. If I delete this one, this is trend line trader. Trend line trader also are looking for sell. So combination of that 3-4 market structure together to form a distinct analysis is what you need as a trader, not just this market, there was this level of indecision here, or market just form higher, low somewhere and you are buying. No. You don't just click buy or sell. You must find co-integrations of what market is doing first, so that your bias, because you have to be conscious of every your stop loss and take profit. Know where you are making mistakes. Know where your strategy lies. That is why we don't click buy and sell. We must find out first why we are clicking the buy and sell. What is the psychology? Now, another thing for perfect entry, these clusters of candles of Fibonacci key level of 4-hour time frame, market was consolidating. So, which means that Fibonacci trader are looking for sell. Support and resistance trader are looking for sell. Trend line breakout are looking for sell. Channel trader are looking for sell. Demand and supply trader are looking for sell. Candlestick trader are also looking for sell. That is 5 co-integrations on single entry. So when you now enter this kind of market and it does not go your way, you study again. But most of the time, it always works because there is a confluence of buyers of different traders who are looking for right entry. And that is an edge you will have over others who are entering market based on emotions, based on feelings, based on signal provider. Yes, 2025 is coming. Take your trading career seriously. You will be profitable. You can do it. I believe in you. So if I were you, after you watch this video finish, go to your live chart, go and study your analysis, see what market is doing, plot your key levels, plot your resistance level, check the direction, check how the candlesticks are moving, what they are doing, what is driving them, check your news, and find out what I'm saying. So whatever happens in this market, I will be waiting once again. I believe in the next 72 to 92 hours. I believe in the next 2 to 3 days, by this Friday, we will see the overall direction of this market. So till I come your way again next time, be safe.